Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make shrimp and mussel lasagna. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 bag of peeled red shrimp, 500 grams Grand Krust, 1 kilogram of mussels, 1 onion, 1 leek, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 75 grams of flour, 75 grams of butter, 1 liter of milk, 75 grams Emmental cheese, 75 grams grated Parmesan cheese, salt, olive oil, oregano, 1 clove of garlic, 20 lasagna sheets, and nutmeg. Begin by putting the mussels in a pot. Cover and heat until the mussels open from the steam. Once the mussels have opened, set them aside. Finely chop the onion, leek, carrot, and garlic. Gently fry them in a lug of olive oil. While the vegetables are cooking, remove the meat from the mussels, chop them, and set them aside. When the vegetables have taken on some color, add the shrimp and the mussels. Sauté everything together for a few minutes. Add the tomato sauce. Season to taste, add oregano, and set aside. Next, heat some butter in a pot. When it's melted, add the flour and let the mix cook for 5 minutes, stirring now and then so it doesn't stick. Add milk to the pot and continue to stir to avoid lumps. For some extra flavor, you can mix 1 part milk with some of the water from the mussels. When the bechamel sauce begins to boil, season to taste, add nutmeg, and set aside. Cook the lasagna sheets in a pot of boiling salted water for 7 minutes. While the pasta is cooking, cover the bottom of a baking dish with some bechamel sauce. When the pasta is ready, put a layer of lasagna in the baking dish, top with the shrimp and mussel filling. Intersperse layers of lasagna and filling until the filling has been used up. Finish with a final layer of lasagna. Cover the lasagna with bechamel sauce, sprinkle the 2 cheeses on top, and grill in the oven until the cheese turns golden brown. The lasagna is ready to serve. Enjoy!